Yo YouTube, what up? This is GSNCards coming back at you once again. Box number 444 and 86. We'll start with 86. 2010 Panini Gridiron gear had a nice hit out of the 09 playoff contenders. Last time we did this, we got an Ndamukong Suh autograph pullout numbered at a 196, which was really nice. Looking for 4 hits per box. 4 hits in a box, a bunch of packs. Base rookie of Jim Dre for the Cardinals, numbered out of 100. Jim Dre. And first hit, numbered out of 25. And that is sick. 2-color, 3-color patch. Real nice patches. Brent Celek. Number 12 out of 25. Real nice looking patches. Brent Celek for the Eagles. Numbered out of 25. We got white and black and white off green and green. Rookie of Chris Gronkowski for the Eagles. That's not numbered. Nice punch. Next pack, next hit for the Panthers. It'll be a jersey of Jimmy Clausen. Rookie orientation jersey for the Panthers. Jimmy Clausen. And a rookie of Komisi for the Dolphins. Maybe a hot box. Rookie of Dan Williams for the Cardinals, not numbered. Got 2 hits already, not even a... we're probably 25% through with the box so far. Rookie of Logan Paulson for the Redskins. Base. Insert will be of Larry Fitzgerald, not numbered for the Cardinals. A rookie of David Nelson for the Bills. Alright, then we got a Jamal Charles for the Redskins out of 250, or the Chiefs out of 250. Rookie of Max Hall for the Cardinals. That's not numbered. And next hit. It'll be a random between the Broncos, Cowboys, and Chiefs. Numbered out of 250, Demaryius Thomas, Dez Bryant, and Dexter McCluster. Rookie orientation triple jersey. Broncos, Cowboys, and Chiefs. So, no autograph yet. Rookie of Sergio Kindle for the Ravens. And we're at the halfway point of the box. Rookie of Duke Calhoun for the Giants. That's not numbered. Looking for at least one more auto. Maybe they gave us an extra. You never know. I'm hoping. Sidney Rice out of 250 for the Vikings. Rookie of Earl Thomas for the Seahawks. Vikings, we have a Brett Favre. That's nice. That's numbered out of 250 for the Vikings. And a rookie of Preston Parker for the Buccaneers. For the Panthers, Steve Smith, not numbered. A rookie of Brandon Graham for the Eagles. Chris Cooley for the Redskins, X, numbered out of 100. Parrish Cox, rookie for the Broncos. And, oh, sick. Oh my God, even sicker. Sick, sick, sick. Nice. And that is... Da-na-na-na. It's a 1 of 1. Didn't we just say we haven't hit a 1 of 1? I'm going to show you the 1 of 1 first. I'm going to block out with a pack the player. 1 of 1. The person who has it PCs them. And I'm going to show it there once. And it'll be Lon, a Tony Romo for the Cowboys, 1 of 1. Congratulations, Lon. Nice 1 of 1 at a Gridiron 2010. Sick-ass card. Tony Romo, 1 out of 1. So, great card for Lon. Congratulations. Brandon Banks for the Redskins, rookie. So, Lon with the Cowboys, getting his PC card. Beautiful. Crash Course, Peyton Manning, Mario Williams. Not numbered. Let me lower the camera again. Rookie of Joe Webb for the Vikings. And we were just talking about it on blog. We haven't hit a 1 of 1 in about 2 weeks. And what do you know? We hit a 1 of 1. Roberto Wallace at a 250 for the Dolphins. Chris Cook for the Vikings. Insert Lon with the nice Tony Romo. I was about to say, this box wasn't so great up until that point. Clearly. So we did get all our hits. Game breakers of Darren McFadden for the Raiders at a 250. Kerry Meyer, rookie for the Falcons. And final pack of box number 1. And we got another hit. Oh, that's sick, too. These are actually case hits. Number 10 out of 10. I'm pretty sure this is a case hit for the Jets. One of these rubber footballs or football helmet auto of Santonio Holmes. Sick-ass box. There's the auto there. Santonio Holmes case hit number 10 out of 10. eBay 1 of 1. There it is. Great box. And the Jets. Herpy 123. Congrats on that. There's the numbering. 10 out of 10. And a rookie of Dan LeFevre for the Broncos. We're going to keep this going. Box number 2. Great first box. This box is number 444. 1 of 1 and a case hit in one box. Can't go wrong with that. 1 of 1 and a case hit. I'm not complaining. All right, pack 1, box number 2, Gridiron gear. Base X Gold, Ryan Fitzpatrick, numbered out of 100 for the Bills, and a rookie of Marlon Moore for the Dolphins. Those are not numbered. Next pack will be a hit. It's numbered out of 50 for the Texans. Jersey, football jersey of Ben Tate. Number 25 out of 50. Ben Tate for the Texans. The rookie will be Deji Kareem for the Jags. Rookie of Mike Humakanoa for the Rams. An X of Mark Sanchez, numbered out of 100 for the Jets, and a rookie of Riley Cooper for the Eagles. No hits yet up until this point. Lions, Matthew Stafford at a 250, and Devin McCourtney for the Patriots. Crash Course, Tom Brady and who was it? Jason Taylor, not numbered. Michael Schuler for the Dolphins rookie. Base, rookie, Aaron Hernandez. Actually, I think I said we hit no hits until this point. We got one hit. We got the Ben Tate. So looking for 3 more hits out of this box. Rookie of Brian Price for the Buccaneers. This will be the next hit. And it'll be numbered out of 50 for the Packers. I said Packers. Packers, Donald Driver, 1 color patch, numbered out of 50. 1 color patch, all white, 11 out of 50. There it is. Donald Driver. A rookie of Jock Bell for the Eagles. Antonio Gates for the Chargers, numbered out of 250, and a Chris Magaha rookie for the Jags. Base, Darrell Revis, Randy Moss, crash course out of 250, and a Kyle Wilson for the Jets insert. We have a Tony Moki, numbered out of 25 for the Chiefs, 21 out of 25. Rookie of Darryl Washington for the Cardinals. Rookie of Dennis Pitta out of 250 for the Ravens, and a rookie of Derek Morgan for the Titans, not numbered. Looking for 2 more hits. Still haven't hit any autos yet. And we hit an auto. For the Vikings, that one is numbered at a 299, Everson Griffin auto. Everson Griffin auto for the Vikings. I spoke too soon. Numbered 8 out of 250. Nice card there. Slow pitch fanatic on that one. Rookie orientation and Ndamukong Suh for the Lions. Keel, just tell me what username you told me, and I'll let you know your team right now. Robert Meacham at a 250 for the Saints. Rookie Brandon Spikes for the Patriots. 2 packs left. Looking for at least 1 more hit. It should be in the next pack. For the Bears, Matt Forte at a 250. Rookie of John Skelton for the Cardinals. And should be a little hot pack right here. Should be a hot pack. And it will be. Numbered at a 167 pull-out autograph for the Bengals. And the guy who hits the Bengals, LJ Maya, always complains about getting them. Jermaine Gresham. Nice clean autograph there. Jermaine Gresham autograph, numbered at a 167 for the Bengals. So great box. Awesome first box. Case hit and a Tony Romo 1 of 1. Nice way to end it off with that pull-out autograph. Really like the look of these cards. So that is it for the 2-box break. Thanks for watching. GSN Cards is out.